Yo. Ang hirap mag-drive, sumasayaw yung sasakyan kasi very windy. This is one out of 3 ferries that I'm going to take going to Ørsta, and the weather is not really good. It's so windy. Look at my position. I don't like it. I'm like, you know, this is going to be... I want to go out, but I'm afraid the car will just... Hi, this is my second ferry. So it's quite difficult to drive when it's raining and it's windy, you know. And then now I am in the ferry that is, I'm afraid my position is not really good. It's like downhill and I'm in the middle. Almost there, and it's raining again. Look, we are shaking. Psalms 23:1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leadeth me beside the still water. Be with us, O Lord. We will come safely. Ago, it was terrible and I was on the top, so this one is not really bad actually, just a little bit of wind and no rain, so this would be fine. Yun yung I've always wanted to see. Nahihiya ako maganyan. Bakit may kape doon? Naihi ka? Masarap sa mata, no?